this video, I will compare CoinDCX and Delta Exchange to help you decide which platform suits your crypto preferences and trading needs the best. I will go over their fees, security, features, and overall user experience based on my personal experience with both. And let's start off with trading and features. So CoinDCX is a great spot for trading and is beginner friendly, and it's catering primarily to Indian users. And Delta Exchange, on the other hand, specializes in crypto derivatives, futures, and options, making it ideal for advanced traders. And Delta Exchange comes in a global application, as I am on right now, and it also has an application that is specially created for Indian people, and that is called Delta Exchange India. And what about fees and costs between CoinDCX and Delta Exchange? Well, CoinDCX has competitive fees but may have higher spreads on some assets, and Delta Exchange offers low fees on futures and options, but funding rates can vary based on market conditions. What about security and regulation? Well, CoinDCX complies with Indian crypto regulations, making it a solid option for Indian users. Delta Exchange is an offshore platform that focuses on derivatives but might not have the same regulatory clarity as CoinDCX. But I have to say that Delta Exchange also has an Indian portal, and this Indian portal, of course, also complies with Indian crypto regulations. And let's make a final verdict on CoinDCX and Delta Exchange. Well, the best for spot trading and Indian users, I would say, that is CoinDCX, as it is solely created for Indian people. So the main focus is India, which will suit your needs the best. And the best for futures and options trading is Delta Exchange. And also if you want to travel a lot, let's say, and that you want to do business in different countries, then I would say go ahead with Delta Exchange, as this global portal gives you more options than the CoinDCX. But if you're staying in India and you know you're going to stay in India, then CoinDCX will be the best option for you. And if you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly exchange as well, then CoinDCX will suit your preferences best. If you want advanced trading options with leverage and derivatives, Delta Exchange might be better suited for you. So let me know in the comments which platform you prefer, Delta Exchange or CoinDCX. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.